Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is profit and loss. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So let's get started without further delay. Here is the problem statement. A shopkeeper sold an article for $2,500. If the cost price of the article is $2,000, find the profit percent. Here is an answer with explanation. Cost price equals $2,000. Selling price equals $2,500. Next, profit or gain equals the result of selling price minus cost price, that equals to 500. Finally, divide 500 by 2000 and multiply it by 100 to get the profit percentage of 25%. Here is the next problem statement. A man purchases a TV for $8,000 and sells it at 10% loss. What is the selling price of TV? Here is an answer with explanation. Cost price equals $8,000. Loss incurred equals 10%. Next, selling price equals the result of 100 minus loss divided by 100 and multiplying it by cost price. Therefore, selling price is $7,200. Here is the next problem statement. John bought a chair for $1,540 and sold it to Sam. If John earned a profit of 25%, find the selling price of chair. Here is an answer with explanation. Next, selling price equals the result of 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 and multiplying it by cost price. Therefore, selling price is $1,925. Next, selling price equals the result of 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 and multiplying it by cost price. Therefore, selling price is $1,925. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2_Windows x64_bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development and internal business operations use with no time limits. I have created a new Java class named MathSolution. And I am going to define A method for determining the profit percentage for earlier solved problem 1. Here is the problem statement. Step 1 is to create a new class. Specific static method named profit loss 1. Next, define the cost price and selling price member variables and initialize them. Next, calculate the net profit by subtracting cost price from selling price. The profit percentage is calculated as net profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. The last step is to return the profit percentage. Here I am printing the selling price by calling the profit loss method. Let's execute the written code by right-clicking on the created Java class and select Run As and Java Application. Here is the I am going to define a new method for determining the profit percentage. For earlier solved problem 2. Here is the problem statement. Define the loss and cost price member variables and initialize them. Next, calculate the net profit by subtracting cost price from selling price. The selling price is calculated as 100 minus loss divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. The last step is to return the selling price. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the selling price for earlier solved problem 3. Define the profit and cost price member variables and initialize them. Next, the selling price is calculated as 100 plus profit divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. The last step is to return the selling price. Here I am printing the selling price by calling profit loss method. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.